Hey guys, so in this question we have been asked to differentiate this function which is a to the power of x. So in this, the thing that we can do is assume this function a to the power of x equals y. And now we'll solve it similarly to the x to the power of x function. We'll take log both sides, which would be log y equals log of a to the power of x. Now if we use the log property, this x would come to the front. This is basic log property and it would look like log y equals x times log a. Now we'll just differentiate both sides with respect to x, and it would be something like 1 over y, and differentiation of y using chain rule would be dy by dx. And here we can see that this looks something like u times v, and its differentiation would be u differentiation of v plus v times differentiation of u. And this would look like u, which is x, differentiation of log a would be 1 over a, and using chain rule differentiation of a again would be 0 because differentiation of any constant is 0, plus v, which is log a, and differentiation of u, differentiation of x, is 1. Now this thing becomes 0. Now we are only left with this thing, which is 1 over y dy by dx equals log a, and then it would be dy by dx equals y times log a. Now if we come on the top and see that the value of y is a to the power of x, we can just plug it in here, which would be dy by dx equals a to the power of x times log a. This is your answer. And this log a can also be written as a to the power of x ln a. In this case, it has a natural log with a base e.